All right, so welcome back once again with a very interesting lesson. Spoken English is not an easy task, or spoken English is not an easy matter. So, it is learned by doing hard work. If you don't practice on regular basis, then you will be unable to speak in English. So I saw a lot of students in Bangladesh, they have completed their graduations or they have completed their post graduation from different kinds of university under English department, but they are unable to speak in English. Why? Because they have lack of practice. They have lack of environments. That's why they are unable to speak in English. So even I am a student of English department, so even I can't speak English well, but I am trying to learn and I am trying to improve myself, and because I want to see myself in the next level, and I want to speak in English fluently. That's why I am doing hard work regarding these terms. I mean, spoken English. So if I give an example, let's say, if you want to make a wonderful kite, then you have to practically do this, right? You have at first you have to need some instrument, then you have to practically doing this. You have to practically make it. Otherwise, it is not possible to make a wonderful kite. So spoken English is like that. If you want to learn English or if you want to speak English fluently, then you have to practice, you have to practice, you have to practice. There is no any substitute without practicing to learn English. Yeah, you have to practice on regular basis. Not you have got today for a while, then you have to practice. You practice your spoken English, and tomorrow you don't get enough time, then you skip that. But not it is not suitable for you. You have to take it. I am saying one more time, you have to take it as a main job, not part-time job. So if you do this on regular basis, if you do this practically, then you will be perfect on speaking English, or you will be able to learn English. And if you are students, then you have to practice with your friend circle, and if you are a service holder, then you have to practice with your colleagues. So you have to make your own environment to practice your spoken English, because you have a dedication. You have to have strong dedication that I will learn English. I must learn English. Then it is possible for you. So I have been learning English for a long time. So if you want to learn English, then you have to practice for a long time. So otherwise it is not possible. And that's why now I'm being able to speak English, not fluently, but I'm trying to speak English fluently. So this is the thing that I want to share with you. So in this way, you can practice your spoken English. In this way, you can do different kinds of things, and you have to find out what you have to do or how you have to do. You have to find out the solution. So then you will be perfect. So this is it. So yeah, I don't want to make it more longer. So I will come up with a new lesson very soon. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.